Hello, my lovely Sagittarius. Welcome to my channel Sharks Tarot. Guys, now this particular reading is all about you versus them. So, in this particular read, we are going to look up at your energies, your person's energy there, and mutual energies are here. Okay, we have some love cards on your part and some love cards on your person's part as well. Okay, so, Sagittarius, these are general readings. Make sure about that and take what resonates, and you may leave the rest. And also, guys, I have a small surprise which I'm going to reveal at the end of this video. So, watch this video till the end. Okay, guys, and don't worry, I'm not going to waste much time because this video is a very short one, like a short check on this you versus them. So let's see, Sagittarius, what is happening on your part first. We have Ten of Pentacles, King of Wands, and Seven of Pentacles on your part. Okay. Sagittarius, first of all, I have to say this thing that you are progressively wanting a relationship security and happiness. Abundance in the happiness in the relationship. I have to say this thing that you want a beautiful stability. You want to, see, you are working on this relationship. You are just putting the right amount of seed at the right place at a position where you want to grow that particular plant in your way. Definitely, Sagittarius is a kind of a sign who wants things in their ways. Okay, so yes, the same thing you're doing all what your nature is wanting, Sagittarius. And I have to say that you are being very fiery this time, and I have to say that you are just wishing that I want this and I'm going to get this. This is a kind of nature you are building up to get this particular person and to get this relationship security and bliss in your life. Their side, they have the High Priestess, Four of Wands, Queen of Wands. Sagittarius, definitely, this particular individual is very highly intuitive, first of all. Secondly, I have to say that this, as you are shown here with the King of Wands, they are your queen, guys. They have the Queen of Wands over there. So just see this kind of matching. Both of you, as a couple, both of you are going to be rocking, guys, and both of you are going to be very much fiery. And I also have to say that they want a happy, beautiful time with you, guys. They are wanting that, they are needing it, guys. I hope you are going to understand the feelings, Sagittarius. Mutuals, the Judgment followed by the Ten of Cups. Okay. I have to say that both of you are just wanting to figure out the things. Both of you want just, that there need not be any judgment. You do not need to judge each other. This is what you both are figuring things. And Ten of Cups, this is all a happy relationship where everybody, both of you are celebrating. So I have to say that if anybody, Sagittarius, you want to propose anyone, you are having them on your mind, go do that, because this Ten of Cups is just going to create beautiful beginnings in your love life. I have to say this thing. Now coming to the cards, the very first card, Sagittarius, is I feel you leaving me behind. Okay, I have to say, Sagittarius, that you are you are in this zone, in this manner where I think you are probably, do not want to repeat the history again of getting hurt, maybe. That is the reason you are on your ways, you're on your ideas, where you know what I want and how will I get that. So this is particularly what is happening with you. Second card, it's time for me to heal now. See, Sagittarius, I need to say this thing that whoever individual you are working with, you are wanting to be with, it's very important to get emotionally clear. Because sometimes you get into any kind of relationship, but you're not clear about the fact that you need it or you do not need it. So it is very important to clarify things as soon as it is possible for you people. Their part, you speak to me through music. Okay, this is so great. This is having that your person, they are very much showing interest in the music, guys. Secondly, they're a kind of an individual who enjoys music and who relates life with the music. Second part, second message, I want something very serious with you. Yes, Sagittarius, this is so wonderful. This is so beautiful to look at. I have to say that this individual is not coming here for any kind of a time pass or a short term relationship. No, not at all. They want a long term relationship. They want to stick with you because they are in love with you. They love the way you present yourself towards them. They love that thing. They want a happy time. They are, they are bringing a home feeling with you. They're wanting that. This is what I'm having, Sagittarius, for you. So do not forget to like this reading, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Sagittarius. And the surprise which I have talked about here is that we have created a manifesting box, guys, and this manifesting box is way powerful. I have to say this thing to you guys, and this manifesting box is for all those who are having a desire in their heart. Supposedly, if you want a particular person to get married, if you want a particular person to get attracted with you, if you want to pass any kind of an exam, if you want your career, your job to be get, accordingly, you want settlements, everything, I think this is a particular box prepared for you people. Do purchase it, guys, and you can purchase it and get all the details about this manifesting box through the Gmail given in the description box, tarotshark@gmail.com, through which you go for this personalized reading. Okay, guys, so thank you, everybody. See you people next time, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share it also, guys.